Welcome to your quick, beginner-friendly yoga session. Whether you're new to yoga or looking to refresh your practice, this session is perfect for you. Designed to help you get slim and stay fit. Yoga is not just about flexibility. It's a holistic approach to fitness that can transform your body and mind. Today, I'll guide you through simple yet effective yoga poses that focus on toning your body, improving flexibility, and boosting your metabolism. These poses are carefully selected to ensure you get the most out of your practice. Let's begin with mountain pose, or Tadasana. This foundational pose is essential for building a strong base for your practice. Start by standing tall with your feet together. Imagine your feet rooting into the ground, providing stability and balance. Engage your core and take a deep breath in. Feel the breath filling your lungs and expanding your chest. Hold this position for 15 seconds, feeling the energy rising through your body. This pose helps improve posture and balance. Next, we'll transition into downward dog, also known as Adho Mukha Svanasana. This pose is excellent for stretching and strengthening. From standing, bend forward and place your hands on the mat. Ensure your fingers are spread wide for better support. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, forming an inverted V shape. Keep your spine elongated and your heels pressing towards the ground. Hold this pose for 20 seconds. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and the lengthening of your spine. It's a fantastic way to strengthen your arms, legs, and core. Downward dog also helps to calm the mind and relieve stress. Now step into Warrior 1, or Virabhadrasana I. This powerful pose builds strength and focus. Step 1 foot forward and bend the knee. Ensure your knee is directly above your ankle for proper alignment. Lift your arms overhead and hold the pose for 15 seconds on each side. Feel the power and stability in your legs. This powerful stance strengthens your legs and stretches your hips. It also opens up your chest and improves your focus. Moving on, let's get into plank pose, or Phalakasana. This pose is excellent for building core strength and stability. Hold a strong plank position for 20 seconds, ensuring your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Keep your shoulders directly above your wrists. Engage your core and feel the burn. This pose not only strengthens your core, but also your arms and legs. Let's transition to Cobra pose, or Bhujangasana. This gentle back bend is great for opening up the chest and strengthening the spine. Lie face down and gently lift your chest off the ground, holding the position for 10 seconds. Keep your elbows close to your body. This pose strengthens your back and stretches your chest, giving you a gentle boost of energy. It also helps to improve your posture. Finally, we'll cool down with seated forward bend, or Paschimottanasana. This pose is perfect for relaxing and stretching the entire back of your body. Sit with your legs extended in front of you and reach forward, aiming to touch your toes. If you can't reach your toes, just go as far as you can. Hold this pose for 15 seconds, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings and the relaxation flowing through your body. This pose helps to calm the mind and relieve stress. Well done! You've just completed a quick yoga session to help tone your body and stay slim. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results. Practice these basic poses daily to see and feel the difference. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your strength, flexibility, and overall well-being. Keep practicing and stay committed to your fitness goals. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more quick yoga routines.